Hey guys, my name is Jessica, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install your SeaDek cooler pad. Okay, so first what you want to do is wipe down the top of your cooler with alcohol. You may also use acetone, and what this does is creates a clean surface for the SeaDek to stick to. Okay, so next you want to flip it over, and you want to pull back about a third the paper, and then you want to line it up with the non-skid edge. Once that it looks like it's aligned on all edges, and you want to tack it down. And now we're going to just peel the paper back and press down as we're doing it, and do it slowly just so you don't get any air bubbles in there. Voila! Now you're ready to go island hopping.